Did you know that spirituality isn't a religion? It's a relationship. It is not a set of rules, rituals, or beliefs handed by someone else. It is not confined by buildings, labels, or expectations. Spirituality is a relationship. It is a relationship with yourself, your divine, and with the energy that flows through all. It is the quiet knowing that you are part of something bigger, something sacred. And it doesn't require anyone's permission. It is waking up in the morning, deciding to breathe with intentions. It is listening when your souls whisper, but the world is shouting. It is finding something bigger when the sun shines, in a child's laughter, in the way that your heart breaks open just before it heals. Religions can be beautiful and it can be powerful, but spirituality is personal. It is how you show up in this world when no one is watching. It is how you choose peace over chaos, stillness over noise, and truth over image. Spirituality is when you realize that your worth is not something you earn. It is something to be remembered. It is every time you choose love, when it's easier to close your heart. It is learning that present is prayer and the healing is holy. You don't have to speak the right words, follow the right doctrine, or look in a certain way. You just have to be willing. Willing to open, willing to feel, willing to grow, willing to remember that you are divine. So no, spirituality isn't a religion. It is a return. It is a return to the light inside of you, to the truth that you already carry, to the home within you. And once you awaken that, you will never feel alone again.